morning. Today we are starting off our day with some windy weather. We've got some gusts getting into the 20s, 30s, even some 40s out there, but it's quiet as you see on our Skycam. No rain, no low visibility. We've got some good conditions, and it's warm too as well to start off the day thanks to that strong wind. So let's take a look at the latest gusts. We've got gusts coming in out of the southeast. Fargo by far has the strongest gust right now at 41 miles per hour. Fergus Falls is at 30. Other places with some gusts into the mid-20s right now, and we'll see more of this as we continue through the day. And I mentioned that with the wind picking up and some areas with some cloud cover moving in, it really does help to keep our temperatures warmer. We're looking at some 40s to even low 50s in most spots. We're at 51 degrees in Fargo. It's 50 in Fergus Falls, 47 in Grand Forks. One place that's a little colder up toward Langdon at 39. Of course, that's where we're still working on melting away that snowpack. And in your visibility map here, you can see that we've got 10s across the board. That's the highest number you can get. So looking pretty good. Your radar and satellite map, no rain to show you right now. We do have some clouds that are streaming through, as you see here, coming in for us for today ahead of a cold front that will be not necessarily bringing us much for cool weather. It's just really kicking up the wind here for today. Tri-state map shows similar conditions. There are some showers out in eastern parts of Montana, and we could see a little bit of that today. Here's a look at how this will all play out in your hour-by-hour planner. We're going to expect to see those winds getting going here. Well, they're already blowing pretty hard right now, but we'll continue to watch those winds on the stronger side, gusts into the 30s to about 40 miles per hour. Noon hour, you could see we're enjoying some sunshine in the south, but up to the north and west, we've got clouds trying to work their way in. And as this front moves through, we're looking at those clouds really taking over in some areas, and not necessarily all day, but more cloud cover for your Friday. Temperatures are going to be warm ahead of the front. We're going to see some numbers back into the upper 50s to some low 60s. Fargo 62 degrees. And notice our winds. We've got winds still coming in out of the south, but as that front's moving through, they start to change direction to a more westerly or northwesterly direction. And those are our gusts. As we head into the later evening hours tonight, notice how we still have some gusts that are greater than 20, but it's not as intense as it was. And there are some places where we have some spotty showers or sprinkles, but really not an impressive look here at the potential for some rain, and that's exactly what we want to see. It's okay if we have a sprinkle or two. That's not going to have too much of an impact on us here heading into tonight. We would like to see that wind keep up. That would help to continue that drying process. It does ease up a little bit overnight and into early Saturday, but we're still looking breezy. Saturday morning starting off really nicely. We've got some clear skies, temperatures that are into the 40s, and checking out the northern valley, that's an area where we may see more passing clouds, even a sprinkle or two heading into the day Saturday. But the rest of us should end up with a really nice day. We're looking at temperatures getting back into the 50s to near 60 for most. And up in the north, again, that potential for a passing cloud and shower there before that moves on. And quiet weather takes over for Saturday night before the next round moves in, of course. And speaking of rounds of weather, of course, we're still recovering from that big snow last weekend. And this is in the McCanna area. John shared this photo. Pretty sunset, though, here in that shot. And look at your 7-day planner. So next couple of days, pretty mild. We'll be into the low 60s. We'll be windy here in the valley. And then for a Sunday, the first half of the day looks pretty good, and then we start to see increasing chances for rain and thunder, or rather rain and wind as well, coming into the morning hours on Monday. And that system's going to have some impacts on us in the form of some heavier rainfall potentially for Monday. So something to be aware of. We're looking at maybe about an inch of rain, and we'll have more on that coming up throughout the morning.
Sounds great. Thank you, Lisa. ValleyCon is back, and it's bigger and better than ever.
Coming up, we bring you the details on the 3-day event that's filled with everything the whole family can enjoy.